North Valley Forge. It's Workshare Wednesday and we're back at shop floor, and this is what's happening today. Well, basically I've got a drawing, 45 inches long by about 1100, and that's what I've been given as a drawing. So it's free reign today. We can do what we want. So we've got some 8mm round, 12mm round, 10mm round, 16 round, 20mm round bars. These have been all like linished down to a point over about 3.5. What we've done is just gone crazy crackers, put a load of scroll work and stuff, and what we're doing is we're just going to splay out and planish all these scrolls and basically blend it all in and get it looking crazy crack. So what we've got here is a bit of 8mm round. Just going to put a bit of a fishtail on the end of it, so we'll just coming out there like that. Instead of getting it into the machine, get it ready for small hoofer on that. Well, I've got one there already done. I'm just going to get end over on that. And that's there. And what we've done is modify this jig up here. So I'll just pull it round. Right around that jig there, so we've got this sort of shape. And that's what we've got there. And then you bend it, just get it straightened up a bit on that. And that's for 8mm. Got some 12mm. So same again, just give it a straight up, bashing on the edge. Lift it up a bit. Same again, pull it round, straighten that up a bit, and just put it in jig again. Just go like that. Got there now. Straighten that up on the jig. So while they're hot, and then we've got all these jigs here, maybe pull that round a bit and get it going the other way. So all these little jigs, doing all sorts of stuff here. Got a bit of 10mm there, already pulled around, that's come from a point. So straighten that up a bit. So how we've got going here, we're just going to whack them while they're on edges and start bringing them out. Move that around a bit. So we just draw them out on the scroll like that. But it looks, as the bigger you go, up to like 12mm, it looks more impressive. So we're drawing them out, you know, right at edges there. I've got 16mm one in here. Lost you. So on that edge there you can just see, because these are 16mm, we'll take it over to hydraulic press. I'm just going to press that in a bit, so that on every bend it saves all that hammer work. Got hammer. So it goes from like round, tapered down, into a big flat, round again, into a flat. So these have got to be proper like crazy crackers, and everything's got to be bob on because it's the most fussiest customer on the planet. So that's basically what we're on with today. So happy birthday, 6th birthday to Henry Ashby. Happy birthday to him, rubble for yesterday, Tintin for last week, and get yourself down here to North Valley Forge and make it Bob Swift, I tell you.